How to perform a bottle sterilization. Before performing bottle sterilization, we should wash our hands first. Siyempre, for our proper hygiene. And next is rinse our bottles in the faucet with the running water. After rinsing the bottles, let's clean the inside part of the bottle. Brush it until it is clean para matanggal natin yung mga milk residue. After ng inside, outside. Brush the outside. Next. Brush. Then the nipples. After cleaning the bottles, we will put the bottles into the sterilization. Fill it with water and start the counting when the water is boiling. And that's it. After bottle sterilization, we will assemble our bottles. Take note, we will use our tongue dahil ito ay galing sa sterilization nga at siya ay mainit. We will place the bottle into a clean cloth into upside down position. Then pull the nipple into the nipple ring using the tongue. After that, nalinis na natin yung mga bote natin. Let's say naglagay na tayo dito ng tubig. 2 ounces equals to 1 scoop of baby's powdered milk. So let's say naglagay tayo ng 4 ounces of milk. Lalagay tayo ng 2 scoop na milk. Scoop. And then close the bottle, shake it, and antayin natin mawala na yung powder at ma-mix siya ng wet ng ayos. After mixing, we will proceed na to feeding the baby. Gently get the baby. Hindi natin siya ida-direct sa kanyang mouth. Hahayaan natin siyang humabol sa gatas natin. Irarab natin yung milk, ang nipple sa kanyang lips. And then hayaan natin siyang humabol at pag na-sense na ni baby na nandiyan na ang nipple, kusa na siyang mag-drink ng kanyang milk. And that's how you feed the baby. After feeding the baby, let's cover our bottle and place it aside. And let's proceed to burping the baby. Lift the baby up to our shoulder and give him a nice pat. At we will patiently wait for the baby to burp. And that's how you burp a baby.